Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro gain 0.4% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The Dow rallied to a one-month high, while the Nasdaq tumbled over 1% as investors rotated out of AI-linked stocks and added some laggards to their portfolios, betting on Federal Reserve interest rate cuts this year. Mt. Gox, the cryptocurrency exchange that lost 850,000 Bitcoin in investor funds, will start repaying its defunct users. Mt. Gox's rehabilitation trustee will start processing repayments in Bitcoin starting July 2024. EV maker Rivian's drive to cut costs and turn its first profit has removed over 100 steps from the battery making process, 52 pieces of equipment from the body shop, and over 500 parts from the design of its flagship vehicles. The result of Rivian retooling its manufacturing process is a 35% reduction in costs of materials.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 14 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. Spain's gross domestic product will be released at 7 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.